Hey there, riders and rev heads. Welcome back to the channel where the rubber meets the road and the future of motorcycling rides right alongside the legends of the past. If you love bikes that blend raw power, refined engineering, and unmistakable style, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you never miss a throttle twist. Alright, gear up, because today we're diving into the one and only 2025 BMW R1300 Classic. BMW went all in on the 1,300 cubic centimeters air and liquid-cooled boxer twin, producing a solid 145 horsepower and around 110 lb-ft of torque. What does that mean in the real world? It means that when you twist the throttle, you're getting instant torque-rich acceleration that doesn't just move you forward, it throws you into the horizon. And it does it smoothly. That boxer engine layout gives the bike a low center of gravity, which helps it feel planted and predictable, especially in the corners or during low-speed maneuvers. At 800+ pounds, moving this bike around a garage or parking lot can be a chore, so BMW threw in a reverse gear assist. Hold down a button, and the bike crawls backward using the starter motor. It's simple, effective, and saves your knees. Once you have it, you'll wonder how you lived without it. Let's not forget about braking. The R1300 Classic is equipped with dual front discs clamped by radially mounted calipers, backed by BMW's integral ABS Pro. That means the system modulates front and rear braking based on conditions and lean angle. It's designed to keep you upright and safe, especially during emergency stops or in slippery conditions. Fuel capacity is around 18 liters, or just under 5 gallons. With a mixed consumption rate of around 45 miles per gallon, you're getting solid range for long-distance cruising. And believe me, this is a bike you'll want to take out for those long, open-road journeys. Who is this bike for? Well, it's not just for the retro fans. Sure, it's a classic design, but the tech and performance make it a real contender in the modern cruiser segment. It's for riders who appreciate a balance between tradition and innovation, for those who want comfort without compromising performance, and for anyone who just wants to enjoy the open road with a machine that feels alive beneath them. It's also surprisingly beginner-friendly for its size. The ride modes and assist systems help newer riders feel confident, while seasoned bikers will appreciate the power and precision when they push it. So what's the catch? Honestly, there aren't many. The price is premium, no doubt. Expect it to start in the mid-$$20,000 range and climb depending on options. But what you're getting is a handcrafted, high-performance cruiser with top-shelf components and decades of engineering heritage. It's worth every cent if you value craftsmanship and ride experience. And yes, it's not a lightweight street fighter or a pure adventure bike. It's not trying to be. It's a cruiser at heart, with personality, poise, and presence. It's built to cruise, built to turn heads, and built to last. At 800+ pounds, moving this bike around a garage or parking lot can be a chore, so BMW threw in a reverse gear assist. Hold down a button, and the bike crawls backward using the starter motor. It's simple, effective, and saves your knees. Once you have it, you'll wonder how you lived without it. So final thoughts. The 2025 BMW R1300 Classic is more than a motorcycle, it's a statement. It shows that BMW understands the roots of motorcycling, but isn't afraid to push forward. It's got soul, it's got tech, and it's got that unmistakable BMW boxer charm. Whether you're into laid-back rides, long hauls, or just want something that looks and feels iconic every time you fire it up, this bike delivers. If you're in the market for a premium cruiser with brains, brawn, and beauty, put the R1300 Classic on your shortlist. Just don't be surprised when it ends up at the top. Alright, that wraps up our deep dive into the 2025 BMW R1300 Classic. What do you think? Is this your next dream bike? Or are you sticking with something a little more modern or wild? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. If you enjoyed this breakdown, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow riders. Don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth bike reviews, riding tips, and everything motorcycle culture. Thanks for watching, stay safe out there, and as always, ride on.